Good morning, all my lovely students. How are you all? DAV Public School, NTPC Faridabad welcomes you to the online teaching classes. So, let's get started. Welcome to the English class, children. Today we are going to do Lesson 6, The Hot Spoon. As you all know, yesterday we have done the oo sound words, picture identification and sound spellings. Now today we are going to do the picture reading of the chapter. And we have to focus on oo sound. Children, do you know what is picture reading? Picture reading means you have to look at the picture carefully. Whatever things are there in the picture, you have to observe the things and then you have to speak about them. Like ma'am is going to tell you. You can see in this chapter, in the first picture, there is a room. See? And the room is cool. How can we say that the room is cool? Yes, because fan is running fast. So the room is cool. And there is a boy. You all can see in your English reader books, page number 15. There is a boy. His name is Tom. Okay? And he lives near the zoo. So children, see, we have done so many oo sound words like room. The room is cool. And the room is near the zoo. Now see what is happening. Tom looks out of the window. See, this is the window of his room and he looks out of the window as his room is near to the zoo. See, zoo is also written here. And what else you can see in the sky? There is moon in the sky. And there are so many stars. And can you see something in the pool? See, this is the pool where water is there. And there are geese in the pool. Okay, so let's move to the next picture. Now, what happens? Tom feels very hungry and now he wants food. So, there is a plate on the table and the food is in the plate. So, Tom wants to eat the food. And can you see what is there in the plate with which we eat the food? Yes, it's a spoon. A spoon is in the plate. But you can see some hot waves are coming out from the plate. See, it means the food is hot. So the spoon also becomes hot. And what happens? Tom picks the spoon. Oh no! When Tom picks the hot spoon, what happens? Tom spills the food because he has touched the hot spoon. And the food falls down. See, Tom has spilled the food. Oh, poor Tom. He becomes sad. Then see what happens. Now Tom is standing in his room and he looks at the roof. Yes, we have already understood roof. Okay, so he see a spider there. Can you all see this spider? Oh my God, the spider has made a loop. This thread, when spider makes a web, it becomes a loop. So, the spider makes a loop and Tom's look at the roof. But he can see that the loop is loose. See, the loop is not tight, it is loose. So, what does Tom do? Tom picks up a broom. See, this is the broom with which Mama cleans the house. He picks up a broom and then he wipes away the loop. Okay, with the help of the broom, he wipes the loop with the help of broom. So children, this was all about the picture reading of lesson 6. Now what you are going to do? You will look at these pictures. These pictures are given in your book on page number 15 and 16, and then you will do the picture reading of all these pictures, and one by one you are going to send your audios or videos. Fine children? And what we are going to do in the notebook? Draw the picture of your favorite oo sound word in the notebook. Like if you like the pool, so you will draw a beautiful pool in your notebook and color it. Okay? So this way you can draw any one picture of oo sound. Okay children, bye bye.